the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Just don't be crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just don't be
So namuhimo tag ka na murag pinaka-cupcake nga style unya nakalimot ko palit og kana bitang paper niya so Butter.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I
Dapat gaano mo talaga siya, mix mo talaga siya para mas magaling ang pinalalabasan. Ayan. Same time, naglalapit tayo, diba? So, ganito na yan ng asin. So, kapag ganito na siya, masyadong ano na siya, parang nakaramel talaga siya. I-mix muna natin siya doon sa wet natin na ingredients. So, let's go, guys! isasali natin dito. Pag hindi na kasha, ilalagay natin dito. Okay? Let's start. Sana ano to, makasha lahat. Okay. I'm not sure kung may tama. Siguro, ano, so, hindi siya kasha. Ilalagay natin siya dito. So, ito lang ang nakasha. So, ilalagay natin siya sa preheat na para natin. At ito na ang resulta ng ating bibingka. Diba? Parang cupcake lang siya. Pero ang sarap! Natikman ko na. Ang sarap niya, diba? Medyo, ano lang siya, parang cupcake. Pero, dalawa ito, yung isa nakasalang. So, ito yung ano niya, yung outcome ng niluto. Di ba, bongga? So, ipapatikim natin kay Bayu ang bibingka. Ipapatikim natin sa kanya kung ano ang bibingka. Ipapatikim natin sa Bayu kung anong masasabi niya. Okay? Let's try. This is your bibingka. Wait. Try this. And you have to tell me honestly, how does it taste?
So soft.
Yeah. As soft as me. You killed it. Look at the camera.
It's squishy.
Huh?
It's squishy.
Yeah, because I made it like my own version. How does it taste? You forgot your name now? Familiar? Cupcake, yeah, because it's a cupcake. See, I made it into a cupcake style, but it calls bibingka. In our, it is good, bad. What's your comment?
Yeah. Not crunchy.
So pass to 100%, like 75%. Thanks for watching, mga ka-F. So, he likes my puto bibingka version. Homemade cake. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.